First and foremost, we offer all three main branches of chemistry, which is inorganic, organic and physical chemistry.
Expect to use advanced instrument from day one when they study at Chester.
I enjoy the breadth of the course the most. I think it's absolutely amazing how much more we learn than what you imagine when you come into a chemistry course.
It's also been really nice to broaden my range of chemistry that I know about because the modules are so varied, because we also include some biology and physics-based modules, so you're not just a chemist.
And towards the end of the course, you can expect to specialise in the more kind of niche areas of chemistry. So these are things that have an impact on the real world, such as medicinal chemistry, environmental chemistry. You'll be learning about all sorts of modern techniques in chemistry as well.
And as chemistry, you need to have certain skills and hands-on experiences on using different instruments and on practicals.
I almost feel already like I'm a professional. You know, we learn so much about the organics of it, and also put into these lab settings where you kind of feel like you've already got your degree, and so that's really nice, and to have that support from all the technicians as well as the lecturers, it's amazing.
This is a heavily practical course, and you could expect that practical to feed into the theoretical work that you're doing in inorganic, organic and physical chemistry.
The practical sessions we've had this year have been really beneficial to our learning because they've actually allowed us to apply the theory we've been learning about to the practical side of chemistry and see how it actually works.
The practical sessions are amazing. They give you a lot of hands-on time with the chemicals and the chemistry of the course, and it also gives you a lot of one-on-one time with your chemistry lecturers.
It also allows you to see more of sort of the random element of chemistry and how things don't always work out as planned, and it gives you that practice of fixing things as you go along and trying to adjust.
It's really important that you as a chemist are trained and ready for the world of work and are able to conduct the practicals that you're going to be required to do in real life work.
This is why the practical component at University of Chester is really important. We offer this to our students from day one, and we offer our students a lot of opportunities to engage with the industry and have placement throughout their course.
I'm really looking forward to it because it gives me a chance to see how what I've been doing in the lab applies more in the real world. And it's also a great gateway to industry for people who want to go into that side of chemistry.
The idea is that you start to form links with those industrial companies as you progress throughout your degree programme. So what we've got now are some really, really lovely stories of students who've started to build relationships with companies in their first year, built those relationships throughout their degree, and have in some cases been offered jobs right at the end of their course with the companies that they've worked with.
We are very passionate chemistry lecturer, and we know that the tomorrow chemists will have to take part and engage with a lot of the challenges that are facing the humanity, from health to climate change.
For materials science, for environmental concerns, we need chemists.
So what we're trying to do is train chemists that are going to be able to solve problems that society faces.
And we try to train and nurture our students who are going to work at the forefront of these fields.
What we don't want to do here is train run-of-the-mill chemists. We want to train chemists who are ready for the world of work, who are going to be at the forefront of research and innovation within their fields. We really want to train the leaders of tomorrow.
So if you want to study in a place or in an environment where you've been offered the support and encouragement to flourish, then definitely studying at the University of Chester would be the right choice for you.
The lecturers here are really supportive, and I think that's part of the small group teaching. You get to know your lecturers.
They really do care about you and making sure you're comfortable with the course, as well as you want to be with the subject in itself.
They genuinely support everything that you do, even the slightest issues they can help out with. It's absolutely brilliant.
So if you want to attend the kind of institution and learn chemistry in an environment where you're going to build relationships with the lecturers that are teaching you and be nurtured, then this is definitely the right place for you.